What was once a vibrant painting now stands discolored and torn. Found during a house clearance, this painting is in need of care. Join us as we bring this watercolor back to life. The restoration process ahead is delicate and complex, involving both reduction of discoloration and repair of structural damage to this Charles William Fothergill watercolor. Here, what looks like a scratch is actually the painter's mark, a chair. How interesting. Surface cleaning begins with a smoke sponge to remove dirt. If left untreated, this dirt could be driven deeper into the paper during subsequent steps. The painting is sensitive to water due to its high gum content, especially in the foreground where the watercolor has been applied thickly. The gum swells and can easily be washed away, necessitating careful handling. Old tape adhesive on the back of the painting is carefully removed with a solvent, preparing the artwork for further treatment. If today's restoration has got you in a creative mood, then perhaps you'd be interested in today's sponsor, Skillshare. Whether you're restoring art, learning new techniques, or simply looking to explore your creativity, Skillshare has something for everyone. Skillshare is the largest online community for creatives, with thousands of classes across topics like illustration, photography, design, and more. For me, I've been diving into The Language of the Line, Part 3 by Brent Everston. It's all about mastering lines and using them to create more expressive and engaging artwork. Perfect for what we're doing today. What I love about Skillshare is its learn-by-doing approach. You can dive right into hands-on projects, share your work with others, and get feedback to improve. Whether you're just starting or already have experience, Skillshare lets you learn at your own pace. Skillshare offers a ton of classes that will help you practice your creativity no matter your skill level. And right now, the first 500 people who use my link in the description will get a 1-month free trial. So, what are you waiting for? Join Skillshare today and start building your creative skills. Now, let's get back to the restoration. The watercolor is placed in a humidity chamber for 2 hours. A damp towel and Gore-Tex material create nearly 100% relative humidity, slowly relaxing the paper. The relaxed watercolor is then placed on clean cotton sheets on a vacuum table, a tool resembling a giant flat sieve. Deionized water mixed with a small amount of alcohol to aid even wetting is sprayed and brushed onto the surface, especially where staining is severe. Suction from below draws the water through the paper, solubilizing and removing dirt into the cotton sheet. The watercolor is moved to clean parts of the sheet as needed until no more discoloration is extracted. Despite the thorough process, some stains proved too stubborn to remove entirely. However, the overall improvement is noticeable, particularly in the sky. Next, the tears are repaired. Adhesive is applied along the tears, followed by Japanese tissue on the back to strengthen the join. The watercolor is humidified and pressed under a weight for a few days to ensure stability. Cracks and tears are retouched with watercolors, blending seamlessly with the original artwork. Dark spots in the sky are carefully blended with pastel pencils, enhancing the painting's visual integrity. Now, after countless hours of meticulous work, the Charles William Fothergill watercolor is restored. To honor and celebrate Fothergill's work, we've had the painting digitally enhanced, removing remaining stains. Here is the print alongside the original for comparison. You can purchase this print on our website. The link is in the description. You can additionally scan the QR code on the screen now too, which will take you directly to the listing. Let's view the painting from its original state, through the restoration, to the final print. By purchasing from our website, you not only acquire a beautiful piece of art for your home, but also support our channel. What a journey! Thank you for watching.